Hi friends, this is Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics and you're welcome back to my channel. This is a clean with me video. Now this is how the kitchen looks like after cleaning, and I just decided to take you on the journey with me throughout the cleaning process. This is a couple of days of not touching anything in the kitchen, and so everything is very dirty, the floor is dirty, I have things lying everywhere. And so I hope you find this video satisfying. I started by taking things out of the dishwasher and filled it with dirty things. And so I'm going to stop talking now and I'll see you at the end.
In the morning, now you are the best cut. And I don't really wanna break up. I want to make you my last bus stop. Oh, nah, nah, yeah, yeah, yeah. But then you go take, but then you want me to do again. You fall in my bed, oh. Oh, baby, go back up. No more trouble, joke. Now if you say you want me, I don't make it you now. Say, oh, baby, go back up. No more trouble, joke. Now if you say you want me, I don't make it you now.
Ground up, Charlie.
Fire can cool, turn it up, turn it up. Roll up one time, burn it up, yeah. Them no one say I man go higher. Yeah. My blessing don't stop coming up. Success is sweet lollipop, yeah. Them no one see I man go higher. So I pray Jah open my eyes so I see them properly. Bad mind me no need them company. Jah guide me and lead me far away higher. So I pray Jah open my eyes so I see them properly. Bad mind me no need them company. Cause I know them no one see I man go higher. But when the flame burn, it a burn forever. And my fire don't burn out, me shine on for all eternity. And when the flame burn, it a burn forever. And this fire can't cool, no. And this fire can't cool, no. Yeah.
You flame me hotter than. You think say you mad me, I'm under than. This is crazy, Charlie. Sitso on another one. Me I never stray. Fire can't cool, never burn away. Give praise to the Almighty. Me a phoenix after the eternal flame. Change gears, speed up. Me about 2 years, hit up. Hey, what a party I look so. Tiptoe, make a sit so I pray Jah open my eyes so I see them properly. Bad mind, me no need them company. Jah guide me and lead me far away higher.
But when the flame burn, it a burn forever. And my fire don't burn out, me shine on for all eternity. And when the flame burn, it a burn forever. And this fire can't cool, no. And this fire can't cool, no. Yeah. Them no say EL don't play me fire upon them and condemn them. Till the day we go touch the sky, we jump higher. Yeah. Them no say EL don't play me, fire upon them and condemn them. And when the man touch my clean, murder them pride. And every day I pray Jah open my eyes so I see them properly. Bad mind me no need them company. Jah guide me and lead me far away higher. So I pray Jah open my eyes so I see them properly. Bad mind me no need them company. Cause I know them no one see I man go higher. But when the flame burn,
I'm done cleaning. Just want to take you through the before of how the kitchen was looking like before I did the cleaning.
it a burn forever, and this fire can't cool, no, and this fire can't cool, no. And when the flame burn, it a burn forever, and my fire don't.
So this is the after. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was satisfying to watch as well, and I hope you also got motivated to do a bit of cleaning and tidying up in your kitchen as well. Everything is clean in the dishwasher, the floor is clean, the countertops are clean. Thanks for watching. This is Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.